Do you remember the Yellow Vest movement in France? It was triggered by a fuel tax aimed at reducing emissions, and it showed something important. Climate policies do not always work as intended. Across Europe, governments have been promoting cleaner choices, like heat pumps or home insulation. But these measures often fail to deliver the expected results. Why? Well, sometimes because they underestimate the complexity of human decisions. People do not always make decisions in a perfectly logical way. Nobel Prize winner Daniel Kahneman showed that our choices are influenced by non-rational factors. Take a simple example: heating at home. Many people know that lowering the thermostat by just 1 degree can save some money. Yet, many don't do it because of habits or comfort preferences. So climate policies fail not because the intentions are wrong, but because they ignore these factors. Wow, imagine now if policymakers could evaluate how policies might work before implementing them. Recent advances in behavioral science and computer modeling are making this possible. Our research team can now create virtual households that interact and respond to policies over time. This allows us to simulate how different groups might react to measures such as subsidies, taxes, or renovation programs. For example, in the Netherlands, similar models have been used to improve subsidy for home renovation. By simulating how different groups respond, policies were better tailored and made more effective. This matters because households behave differently. Some might respond quickly to subsidies. Others might need a stronger incentive. And some are not interested in renovating at all. With this approach, governments can achieve the same results with less public money. Because in the end, better climate policy isn't just about technology or economics, it's about people.